Watch out!
Woohoo! Yay!
No! Hey!
Whoa! Oops!
Come on, Robbie! You're missing all the fun!
No, no, no. I'll get all rusty.
Here, take my boots so you don't get wet.
Oh, thank you, Timmy. Uh-oh. Oh. They're too big, and if I trip, the water will fry my circuits.
I got it! If you can't jump in real puddles, I'll draw them for you.
I'm gonna jump, hooray.
Sorry, Robbie, the ground is too wet to draw on.
I have a better idea. Nope. I should have it here. Somewhere. Ta-da!
No.
Don't get too fired up, Robbie, or you'll blow a fuse.
Here you go. Organic, locally produced, 100% waterproof beeswax. Have fun!
Go on, Robbie!